learning about PP1 English subject. Already A to Z, how to write A to Z, written completed and oral also completed. Yes, no? See here, see this textbook. Textbook very slowly we are going. You write fast for children, okay? Before class, this all completed. Capital A, capital B. This oral also completed. Circles also completed. Capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H. This all completed, no? Capital I, capital J, J for Jack, J for Jam also completed. Today your homework, K for kite, K for kite. First of all you write on the dots, afterwards empty boxes you fill it, children, okay? Here also same like that only, empty boxes you fill it. First of all you write on the dots, afterwards empty boxes you fill it. 3 lines, red line to blue line, okay? Here see, circle the letter K. Here different types of letters is there, no? But use only here what he said, circle the letter K. Only K letter only you circle it. Here K I have, here. Like this you circle it, okay? Read loudly. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for knife. What next page? L for lion. L for lion. Dots up you write first of all, afterwards empty boxes you fill it. Here also same like that only. Dots up you write, empty boxes you fill it. Here circle the letter L. L letter you circle, only L letter. Different letters is there, but you only L letter only you circle it. Here see, L for lock. L for lock. L for lotus. L for lotus. What next? M for mango. M for mango. Dots up you write, and here empty boxes you fill it. Here also same like that only. Dots up you write, empty boxes fill it. Here also M letter you circle it. And here M for moon. M for mug. A to M letter. You textbook you complete. A to capital A to M letter. Okay. Before class I said no. We are very slowly. You at home no. You write fast. Okay. M for mango, up to M for mango you complete this textbook. Here see English activities sheets. See here this page completed. What I said, read and place the letters and color the pictures. Capital A for ant. A dots up you write, color it. B for beer. B you have to write on the dots, afterwards color it. Already this one I said. What next? Here see B for, yes, match these pictures with its start letter. See here, this one what? B. B for ball. Yes, B for box. C for cat. D for duck. D for dog. E for elephant. C for crow. E for engine. A for aeroplane. Match the following, children. Okay, don't do confuse. Match each these pictures with its starting letter. Means what? A for apple, B for ball, like that means. Once again I will explain you. B for ball, B for box. C for cat, C for crow. D for duck, D for dog. E for elephant, E for engine. Okay? Like this you have to do matching. Okay? What next letter? Letters A to E. Match the pictures having the same capital with small letters. You don't know no small letter. Today I will start with small letters. But once I explain you this one what? Capital A. Here see very small a. This is small a. A, capital A, small a. Do matching. Okay? Capital D, small d. Do matching. Capital B, small b. Do matching. Capital E, small e. Do matching. Okay? Capital C, small c. Matching you do. Today I will start with small letters. Okay? See children, here see how to write small a. Here see, look at the board. You write like 0. 0 like you write here. You have to keep your pencil like this down. You have to come like this. Small round like this round like you have to write like this. Okay? See one side I show for you. Here to come down like this. Okay? Very easy, small a. See here, round and like this. Very easy. Easy means very easy. What is this? Small a. What is this, children? Small a. What next letter? Small b. Standing line and a curved line. See how easy, no? Standing line and a curved line. Small b. Small a, small b. What next? Small c. Small c means very small. Capital C means big it will come. Small c means small it will come. Okay? Here see small a, capital small b. Here see standing line and a curve. Standing line and a curve. Here see small c. See, very easy. Small a how? Like have. Here see 4 lines. How to write 4 lines? Small a, small b, small c. Here see capital letters 1, 2, 3. 3 lines we have to write. Here to here. Capital A. Yes, 3 lines, no? But small a, how many lines you have to write? Here see second line. 1, 2, 3. Second line to third line. 0 you have to keep. Here to here. To touch this line, small a. 0 you have to write these 2 lines only. Here to here touch this line, small a. Capital A, small a. What next letter? Small b. Yes, capital B first of all you have to write. Afterwards standing line and a curved line. These 2 lines only. See children, observe it. This standing line 3 lines you have to write. This small b, these 2 lines curved line. These 2 lines you have to write. Small b. What next? Capital C, small c only. These 2 lines you have to write. Now you understood, children? See, capital A 3 lines, small a 2 lines. Capital B 3 lines, small b also 3 lines only. But only standing line is 3 lines. Here curved line 2 lines. Here capital C 3 lines, small c 2 lines. How to write on the slate? Okay. Small letters. Already capital letters completed, no? Then small letter. How to write on the slate? See here. Small a. Small b. Small c. 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 Like this you have to practice at home. Slate up. Here complete and no. This side also you have to write. I wrote one side only, but you have to write 2 sides. Okay. What next? Small a to z oral. Small a to z oral. Okay. Here see which like I am writing small letter. These 2 lines. Small a. Small b. Small c. See how like I am writing? Small d. Small e. Small f. Small g. Small h. Small I. Small j. Small k. Small l. Small m. Small n. Small o. Small p. Small q. Small r. Small s. Small s. Small t. Small u. Small b. Small w. Small x. Small y. Small z. Small letters. Small a. Small b. Small c. Small d. Small e. Small f. Small g. Small h. small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, small z. I want to show you a textbook. Small letters textbook. Okay. See here. Capital letters also textbook you have to write, and small letters also you start with textbook also. Writing practice today you practice, late practice, tomorrow onwards you would start with this one. Okay. Small letters. See how dots up you write. A for aeroplane, B for ball, C for cat. Like this. Dots up you write here. Okay. What next? A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for arrow. Okay. This is small letters book. Tomorrow onwards I will give homework. This also. B for boy. B for boy. B for boy. B for ball. B for bell. B for bell. C for car. C for car. C for cock. C for cat. Okay. What next? A to Z. Completed written part. Once again I will say oral. A to Z oral. Okay. A to Z oral. I once again I will say. Capital A. Capital B. Capital C. Capital D. Capital E. Capital M. Capital G. Capital H. Capital I. Capital J. Capital K. Capital L. Capital M. Capital N. Capital O. Capital P. Capital Q. Capital R. Capital S. Capital T. Capital U. Capital V. Capital W. Capital X. Capital Y. Capital Z. Capital letters. Capital A. Capital B. Capital C. Capital D. Capital E. Capital F. Capital G. Capital H. Capital I. Capital J. Capital K. Capital L. Capital M. Capital N. Capital O. Capital P. Capital Q. Capital R. Capital S. Capital T. Capital U. Capital V. Capital W. Capital X. Capital Y. Capital Z. See children, capital A to Z written oral. You have to practice at home. Small a to Z oral you have to practice at home. Okay. And small a to C slate practice you have to do. Okay children. Next class I will say new letters. Okay children. Now let us learn about spoken English oral question and answers. Before class so many questions completed. No, your name, your father name, your mother name, your class teacher name, your age and your class. Yes, this all completed. And chief minister, prime minister, this all completed. I'll ask some questions only. Okay, today you give proper answer. What is the name of our national flower? Come on children, say what is the name of our national flower? Our national flower is lotus. Our national flower is lotus. What is the name of our national animal? National flower is different, animal is different. What is the name of our national animal? Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. What is the name of our national bird? What is the name of our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. You seeing on your textbook? In that which book that one? Picture book. Means what? EVS book. In that common birds is there, no? In that peacock picture is there. You watch it, okay? See, what is the name of our national bird? Our national national bird is peacock. What is the name of our national flower? Our national flower is lotus. What is the name of our national animal? Flower, animal and bird. Different names is there. No, don't do confuse children. Okay. What is the name of our national flower? Lotus. Our national flower is lotus. What is the name of our national animal? Our national animal is tiger. What is the name of our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. There are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. What is the name of our national bird? Tell me. Our national bird is peacock. How many months in a year? Tell me. There are 12 months in a year. There are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. What next? Today I say new questions. Okay? See here. These questions I will ask. These questions I will ask. What is this, children? Pen? No. What is this I am asking? This is pen. But you say full answer. What is this? This is a pen. Come on, children. This is a pen. Anybody asking what is this, Nana? Like this someone asking. No. What you say in pen? No, don't say like that. Simple answer. Don't say total full answer. You have to say. Okay. What is this? This is a pen. Come on, say. This is a pen. What is this? This is a pen. Come on. What is this? This is a sharpener. This is a sharpener. What is this? This is a sharpener. What is this? This is a pen. Come on, say. This is a pen. These questions I am asking. These questions I am asking. No. Say full answer. What is this? This is a pen. Come on. What is this? This is a sharpener. Come on. See here. What is this? Come on, say, children. What is this? This is a bottle. Come on. This is a bottle. Come on, say, children. What is this? This is a bottle. What next? What is this? Come on. What is this? This is a book. Come on, say. What is this? This is a book. This is a book. What next? What is this? This is a slate. Come on, say. This is a slate. What is this? This is a slate. Once again, I will ask these questions. What is this? Come on, say. What is this? This is a pen. Come on, say, children. This is a pen. What next? What is this? This is a sharpener. Come on, say. This is a sharpener. What next? What is this? This is a book. Come on, say loud. This is a book. Okay. What next? I am asking here. What is this? This is a slate. Come on. This is a slate. What is this? This is a bottle. This is a bottle. See, these questions completed. 5 questions I am asking. When I am Zoom class, teacher is coming. No, teacher will ask some questions. You say proper answer. Okay. What is this? Once again, I will explain you. What is this? This is a bottle. Come on, say. This is a bottle. What is this? This is a bottle. What next? Come on. What next? See here. What is this? Come on, say. What is this? This is a slate. This is a slate. What is this? This is a slate. What next thing? What is this? This is a book. Come on. This is a book. What next thing? See here. What is this? What is this? This is a pen. Come on. This is a pen. What next? What is this? This is a sharpener. What is the name of our chief minister? Come on, say what is the name of our chief minister? Already before class completed. Our chief minister name is Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. Mr. Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. Shortcut name is KCR. What is the name of our prime minister? Chief minister is different and prime minister also different. What is the name of our prime minister? Our prime minister name is Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay. Chief minister name is Mr. Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. Shortcut name is KCR. Okay. What next question? Tell me what next question before class completed. No. What is the name of our national flower? Our national flower is lotus. What is the name of our national animal? Our national animal is tiger. What is the name of our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. Okay. Now how many days in a week this question was completed? How many months in a year this question was completed? These all questions you learn at home. Okay, children. Next class I'll say new questions. Okay, bye. Going to learn about rhyme subject. See, you have like this book, no? See, there means open this book and you learn at home. Okay. See, I start with first rhyme. Roses are red. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. And so are you. Second rhyme what? The moon rhyme. I see the moon. The moon sees me. God bless the moon. And God bless me. What next rhyme? Jog, jog, joy rhyme. Jog, jog, joy. Bent his bow. Shed a pigeon. And killed a crow. What next rhyme? Round and round the butter dish. Round and round the butter dish. 1, 2, 3. If you want a pretty girl, just pick me. What next? Little petty rabbit had a fly up in his nose. He flicked it and it flew away. What next time? To market, to market, to buy a plum bun. Home again, market is done. What next time? Mary Ann, Mary Ann, make the porridge in a pan. Make it thick, make it thin, make it any way you can. What next? Mary, Mary, cute country. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cuckoo shells. And pretty minds all in a row. What next time? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky. What next time? Two little hands rhyme. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. What next? Humpty Dumpty rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the kings and horses and all the kings and men could not put Humpty Dumpty together again. What next time? Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. What next rhyme? I'll say today new rhyme I'll say. Which rhyme means? See, you like know this rhyme? I'll say this rhyme today. Come little children rhyme. See here. What is this? This is your classroom. You think like that, okay? Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, oh dear me, when shall I learn my ABC? Okay, I said this time. You also do with me, do action, okay? See here, look at me. You also say with me, say loud, do action also, okay? Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. And so are you. What next friend? Tell me. I see the moon. The moon sees me. God bless the moon. And God bless me. What next friend? Little petted rabbit had a fly up his nose. He flicked it. And it flew away. Jog, jog, joy. Bent his bow. Shake a pigeon. And killed a crow. What next? To market, to buy a plum bun. Home again, market is done. What next friend? Tell me. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go down. Side. One side I say two little hands up, okay? Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. What next time? Mary and make the porridge in a pan. Make it thick, make it thin, make it anywhere you can. What next time? Today new rhyme must say, come little children rhyme, okay? You also say with me, come little children, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Oh dear me, when shall I learn my A, B, C? When shall I learn my A, B, C? Once again I'll say, come little children, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Oh dear me, when shall I learn my A, B, C? When shall I learn my A, B, C? Nice, no children? Okay, English rhymes completed. Open that book and you learn at home. What next? Hindi rhymes, okay? Upar chanda gol gol, niche jati gol gol, mummy ka roti gol gol, papa ka paisa gol gol, dada ka chashma gol gol, हम भी गोल, तुम भी गोल, सारी दुनिया गोल मडोल. What next friend? एक कब्बा प्यासा था, जग में थोड़ा पानी था, कब्बा डाला था अंदर, पानी आया ऊपर, कब्बा पिया पानी, हो गई कहानी. What next? मछली जल की रानी है, जीवाणु उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएंगी, बाहर लाए तो मर जाएंगी. See, Hindi rhymes also completed. What next? Telugu rhymes. Tell, Binni ante Telusa, Binni oka bomma, Binni bommaki, lala posi, పడుకోబెట్టి పిల్లలారా అలా చేయకండి. గప్చుప్ వాట్ నెక్స్ట్? చిక్ చిక్ రైలు వస్తుంది, పక్కకు జరగండి, ఆగినాక ఎక్కండి, జోజో పాప ఏవకు, లడ్డు మిఠాయి తినిపిస్తా, చల్లని కాఫీ తాగిపిస్తా, 5 పైసలు ఇప్పిస్తా, పంపిస్తా. వాట్ నెక్స్ట్? బంతి బంతి రన్, బంతి బంతి బంతి, ఇది నా బంతి, కాళ్ళు లేవు చేతులు లేవు, గుండ్రని పొట్ట పొట్ట నిండా గాలి, ఎగురు దూకుడు నా బంతి. Come on children, English rhymes completed, Hindi completed and Telugu completed. You see this video and you learn at home. Okay, next class I'll send you